everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign out from your TradingView application on your mobile device. To sign out of TradingView on your mobile device, first of all, launch open the TradingView application on your device and then go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. From the menu button, scroll all the way down and you will then be able to see the sign out button. Before signing out of your account, you must remember the password that you can use in order to log in and gain access to your account again. If you have access to your password or if you remember it, you can simply tap on the sign out button since you can log in anytime with your password. Click on the yes button in the pop-up if you really want to sign out, and then you will be redirected to the main home page, and that is how you sign out or log out of TradingView application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode.